Tired of those pesky ads hijacking your YouTube binges? Get ready for an uninterrupted viewing experience because today, we're diving into the best ways to banish ads from YouTube for good. First up, the most common and effective method: browser ad blockers. For desktop users, installing a browser extension is your go-to. Head over to your browser's extension store, search for something like AdBlock, AdGuard, or Public Origin, and with a simple click, you can add it to your browser. Once installed, these extensions automatically scan and block ads on almost every website they encounter, including YouTube. You'll notice an immediate difference. Now, if you're looking for a more integrated solution and want to support creators directly, YouTube Premium is a fantastic option. Subscribe to YouTube Premium and say goodbye to all ads across all your devices while you're on desktop, mobile, and even smart TVs. Plus, you get access to YouTube Music, offline downloads, and the ability to play videos in the background. It's a premium experience for a seamless flow. For mobile users, especially on Android, there are also third-party apps that offer an ad-free YouTube experience. While these might require a bit more technical know-how to install, they often provide a clean, ad-free interface directly on your phone. Be sure to download from trusted sources to keep your device safe. So, whether you prefer a browser extension, a premium subscription, or a dedicated mobile app, you now have the tools to reclaim your viewing time and enjoy YouTube without interruption. Which of these methods will you be using to banish those ads? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more useful tech tips.